Using advanced 3D printing technology restores the white and lustrous moon's appearance. When the built-in LED light is on, the whole body is transmittance. It looks like the real lunar in the sky, very charming. Reading light and relaxation light. The soft moonlight makes the child calm down, focusing on learning and thinking. Our moon lamp charging circuit board has been tested up to 1,000 times and it is durable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Superior 3D printed technology. Based on astronomical data by NASA satellite, using cutting-edge 3D printing technology, curves and mountains on the sphere have been designed to really portray the moon's surface. Number 2. Sensitive touch control. Touch the metal button can change the colors of the lamp, warm and cool white, and a long press to adjust the brightness of the lamp. Suitable for decorating a room, use as a bedside lamp, night light, decorative lamp, to create a warm atmosphere. Number 3. Long-lasting battery. Built-in USB rechargeable battery. It has a strong cycle and duration performance, and can normally use during charging, 2 to 3 hours, can use 6 to 12 hours, depends on its brightness. Number 4. Sophisticated design. The bottom interface of the moon lamp is only 0.7 inches. The lamp and the ball are combined perfectly, the touch switch and the charging port are separated, and the touch control is not affected when charging. Number 5. Cool gift. The moonlight comes in a gift package. It can directly be delivered to parents, kids, family members, or friends as a gift. Perfect gift for child, kids, woman, friends at holiday or Christmas gift, birthday present, housewarming gift. Number 6. Use as home decor and atmosphere lights. Use it to decorate your courtyard, bedroom, child room, as if the distant moon came home, full of joy. The appearance of the moon in various festivals is always unexpectedly happy. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it come to withstand? Answer. The moon lamp comes with a wooden stand. Question number 2. I noticed that most of the moon lamps include a remote. I want to turn it off while in bed. Does it have a remote? Answer. This moon lamp doesn't have a remote, but you can search for 16 colors of moon lamps with a remote in our store. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.